So the reason I came to EMU was, first of all, that I am a graduate of EMU from 1992, and I spent 23 years in the Army as an Army Environmental Science and Engineering officer, and when I retired, there was a faculty position that was open, and I applied for it, and this was my number one choice because I wanted to come back and help students that were like me, that were first-generation students that weren't quite sure what they wanted to do with their lives, but knew that EMU could make a difference. My teaching style is informed by not only understanding the content, but also to understand the real-world applications of the material that the students are learning. And that is why I incorporate many kind of real-world examples and also outside the classroom activities. One of the outside the classroom activities that I actually use is in my experiential learning course called Contaminants in Groundwater, where I take students out in the field to Fish Lake. We learn how to sample groundwater and test it for nitrate, and then we partner with the Washtenaw Conservation District and run a community well water testing event for people to bring their well water from their homes into a site, and then my students test it for nitrate, sulfate, and other contaminants, and then tell the homeowners about the quality of their water. I think the most important thing that I do for my students is to really kind of tie everything together for them so they understand how they can actually go out into the world and apply what they're using to actually kind of help society and also to have a meaningful career. For me to be recognized for this award both is gratifying to me internally, but also externally, because I know that when Eastern Michigan University values things that I do outside the classroom, that hopefully will motivate others to emulate that and also spend the time and effort to help our students, not only inside the classroom, but outside the classroom through things like career networking, internships, and other things that will help them after they leave EMU.